Hi, boys and girls. So let's take a closer look at what prepositions are. So prepositions show relationships. They show how nouns relate to other nouns or verbs. There are over 100 prepositions, so that's a lot. There's over 100. We have a lot of prepositions to choose from. Some common ones are the words with, to, from, and in. You'll see those ones a lot. A preposition is always used with a noun. The preposition and noun create a prepositional phrase. So what do we need for a prepositional phrase? We need a preposition and a noun. Prepositional phrases also have any descriptions that go with the noun. So here's the example right here. Play with friends. The preposition is with. So with right here, this is the preposition, okay? Friends is the noun, and it's connecting these two. It's telling how the friends play, okay? They play, what do they do? With the friends. So we can think about prepositions. They're really connecting words. Think about a preposition as a bridge, okay? So if we're thinking about a preposition like a bridge, prepositions are like bridges that connect a noun to the rest of the sentence. So here we have a bridge right here. This would be our preposition. Over here is our noun. So this would be our person, place, thing, or animal. And here is the rest of the sentence that it would connect it to. So here we have the sentence, we went fishing with Ben. With is going to be my preposition. Okay, what is it connecting? So that would go right here. Think about with as my bridge. That's my preposition. Ben right here, this is my noun. And it's connecting Ben with the rest of the sentence over here. We went fishing. We want to connect those two. Okay, so this is an example of with Ben would be an example of a prepositional phrase. We also have, here we have some more examples. So here we have the prepositions to, from, in, for, and on. So to school is a prepositional phrase. If I took my sister to school, I would be, this word to would be connecting this word school to the rest of the sentence. From my desk, in your pocket, for Spencer, on the hook. These are all examples of prepositional phrases. So take a look here. This is going to be your assignment, and you are going to type in true or false if in water is a prepositional phrase. So the ducks play in water. So I want you to think about prepositional phrases, okay, how they connect the noun to the rest of the sentence. Here, water, this is going to be a noun, okay, is in connecting it to the ducks play, is it connecting it to the rest of the sentence? If you're not sure, you can also look down here. Here are some other examples of prepositions. So words like across, over, at, far, in, from, by, with, to, on, and of. So you are going to go ahead and type in true or false if in water is a prepositional phrase.